thought my Harley-Davidson days were over after I wrote a review of the 48 days, perhaps less than glowing. I figured that the HD folks would have crossed me off their list of journalists to test ride their bikes. I was a lost cause, so move on. Apparently I was wrong. Both RideApart Director Chris Cope and the HD team wanted to give me another shot on one of the new Softails, a 2018 Sport Glide to be specific, and I was more than willing. To be honest, the 48 didn't leave a bad taste in my mouth so much as it left a net taste. It was my very first impression of the real Harley, and I was disappointed that I didn't care for the bike that much. I hope the resurrected 2018 Sport Glide had the potential to redeem my opinion of Harley-Davidsons. That said, these bikes will never be as fun as riding a sport bike, so Harley doesn't need to even try to throw that impression at folks like myself. Or so I thought. Sport Glide? I found it interesting that Harley would throw the word sport in its cruiser lineup. Did I mention that I'm a HD noob? And I raised my eyebrows a touch when I read the press release. New Harley-Davidson Sport Glide melds street carving agility with long-haul capability. All-new Softail chassis and Milwaukee 8107 engine deliver a dynamic riding experience. Oh. Okay, now I'm really interested in riding this thing. At that time, I was thinking, sure you can talk the talk, but can you walk the walk? Sir Sport Glide? Right double quotation mark. Back in August, Harley released 8 new Softail models and a handful of new touring bikes. It withheld the Sport Glide, though, as the company wanted to showcase it at EICMA earlier this month. As to why they did this, it was mainly to reach and appeal to the European audience. At present, the international market accounts for about 40% of Harley-Davidson's overall sales. The company is eager to push that closer to 50%. In order to continue to grow in that market, HD did plenty of research, and the data showed that the international folks wanted a functional bike they could use every day. I mean, who wouldn't want that?